some different text features that I need help to figure out where they actually belong up there.
Are you trying?
I am going to show you this one, and I'm going to walk around with it using that detective. Where you see yellow on this page, what do you think that text feature is?
My finger hurts. My neck hurts.
Where you see the yellow on this page, what text feature is that? Once you know what it is, hold up that microscope or that magnifying glass. You know what it is, put the magnifying glass to your eye because you have figured it out. Jamie, what text feature is this?
It's type it with it. The two on the bottom are type of
They
food.
are.
Food.
And remember in our definition, which text feature is it? Ava. It's not bold, but that's a good guess.
I got it. Label.
They are labels. Will you put them up under my labels?
I'm just not going to do it.
Oh, detectives, I think this one's too easy.
But, yeah.
What is this?
Map.
Will you put my map up, Jamie? Ooh, this one was one of them that tricked us when we were reading the clue. When we were reading the clue, this one tricked us.
Seriously, Marisol? Glossary? Glossary. Photograph.
Remember, glossary told us about the words
Bold.
and their definition.
Bold.
You're looking at what I colored yellow.
Wait, photo.
It's not the photo.
Title.
I think Aiden may have.
Content.
It's not. Does it tell us our page numbers?
Title.
Does it look like the cover of a book?
Bold. Glossary. Map.
This
Caption.
It's a caption. They tell us about the pictures.
I said caption at the beginning.
Oh, this one might trick us. I like all my detectives sitting on the carpet.
Is it?
Once we have identified all of these, we get to work on our own to find them in a book.
Yeah.
Just like detectives do when solving a case.
I was at the
This one's hard to see where the yellow is because it's a little bit small.
labels.
What do we think this one is? You guys are too good of detectives. They are labels.
He was. I wasn't talking. There's two labels. I'm never gonna get it. That means you're never gonna get it.
Oh, I want to see if Nahala can name this one. What did I color yellow on that page? Pictures or photographs. Way to go.
Really? That's why you wanted her to do that one? It's
Starts with the letter P.
paragraph. I mean, photograph.
Oh, there's this tricky one again. It's not captions.
Big and bold.
It is big and bold.
I said bold. Wait, I did. No, you didn't. I did. You're just lying, Micah.
I like that my good detectives over here are sitting on the floor quiet, waiting for their next picture. Oh. I'm thinking these are tricking us.
Glossary?
I'm thinking this is trying to trick us.
Bold. Bold. Glossary. Title?
Does it look like a map or the cover of a book?
Table of content? Table of content. It's glossary.
I'll give you a clue, detectives.
Table of content.
Yes, it is a caption. You didn't need my extra clue.
Captions already.
I think this one gave us too many clues just on the picture. Bet none of you are going to struggle with this.
Someone Photograph.
It's not a photograph.
Oh,
It is our table of
It
contents.
says contents right there.
Yeah, it does say contents at the top of it, which made it ultra easy for my detectives.
Micah, you're not sitting. You don't sit on a darkly square.
It looks like I have just a few more to do.
Two. It's probably titled.
This one I think is going to be too easy as well, because it gives us an extra clue at the top.
Glossary.
Glossary. It does say glossary up at the top to help us.
I know why you folded those two because they were too long. There's a picture in the
Oh my goodness. CJ, I want you to put on this extra tight hat, because I think you're going to know this one. You already knew before I even held it up. How about Micah?
title.
What is that?
Title.
Yeah. Will you put it up there for me, Micah?
Reason why he knows it because none of them was untitled. And plus
I still have more papers though.
And it's called plant power. Ow, my face.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more to do.
No. That one is caption. Caption. Label. Wait. Map. Caption. Glossary. Bold. First grade work.
Why do you say it's bold? I think I have a really awesome detective over here. Why do you say this is bold?
Because there's big black bold letters. They have big black letters.
Yeah, some of the letters are bigger on the page than the rest of it.
That is, they're yellow.
Let's see, Raiden, I haven't heard your detective voice in a while. Can you let me know what this is?
I know what it is.
I want to hear Raiden's big detective voice. Title, thank you. Will you put that up?
It's this funny.
Micah and Raiden, go ahead and take a seat. We have a couple more to put up. As in, I only have 2 more. Once we put those 2, I want to have you... No, it doesn't say contents on it or anything.
Yes, it does. It says contents right there. Table of contents.
My detectives are getting way too smart.
We are smart.
Let's see.
Map. There's a picture of a map on it.
I like that Nahela's still sitting on her
Really?
bottom waiting. Thank you.
Second one.
Micah, you were whining. Give me.
Okay, friends.
That one's glossary probably.
Yep, it's glossary.
Glossary.
I'm waiting. I'd like to see all my detectives sitting on the floor. Because I want to tell you, you're going to join your detective team. You're going to join your detective team. I have a red detective team. I have a blue detective team. I have a yellow detective team. And I have a green detective team. Those who sit at your table are now on your team. I put a book at each table. You are going to get a piece of paper. That, first of all, what goes at the top?
Name and date.
Yeah, name and date. Those always go on our paper.
4-10-.
Yeah, we have our date up over there.
We know it.
And it says text feature scavenger hunt, which means you and your team are going on a scavenger hunt. Using your book, find and use the different text features to help answer the question. Title. What is the title? Join as your team. Find the title of your book. Table of content. List 2 chapters that are in the table of content. With your team, find that. Labels. What is the label pointing to? Go through your book, find something that is labeled, write it down. Caption. What What did the caption say? Find that caption, write it down. Photograph, what is the picture of? Map, what page was the map on and what is it of? Glossary, write one word and its definition from the glossary. Bold print, list 2 words that are in bold print.
These words are in
And
bold print.
I gave you a bonus question that is not on our wall.
What?
Who is the author of your book?
Is it on the book? Oh, that's easy. You just read your book. My finger's bleeding.
I will get you a Band-Aid. Any questions before you join your team?
No.
Krista, I'd like you at the carpet.
Jamie.
Any questions before you join the team? Jamie,
If we don't finish.
you'll finish. I know you will. Because working as a team makes things go so much faster.
No.
Any other questions?
Not really.
Hi ho. Hi ho.
She folded it.
What's her name again? You should put it on your
Teacher has it.
Head to your table.
You have to ask her. You have to ask her. She has it.
Probably right there. The title. Glean. Come on. Teacher, I need your name. I don't need the date.
Zoe, please join your team. Can I join your team? Take a seat, grab a paper. Take a seat, grab your paper. Make sure your name's on it. I'm going to check in with my other teams.
We can see we all can see like that. I can't
Oh,
see.
make sure everyone has answered the question before you go on, team members.
My team is
So,
all
Krista,
started.
you're going to have to leave the book down there so they can finish writing their answer. Make sure everyone on your team has answered the question before going on.
This is
Right,
the
so
title,
the question
Hayden.
is title.
She won't leave it like that.
I'd like everyone to work as a team and make sure everyone has answered the question before moving on.
I don't
And I'm going to join my team members over here. Is your name on the paper?
Why is it?
Okay, let's start on
No,
this
you
side.
have to start with your hurting start. You have to all need a
I don't have pencils to hop.
CJ, I know how to solve that question. You know where to find pencils in our classroom, don't you?
There was none of them sharpened.
There's other tables that he could borrow from, aren't there? So CJ, I'd like you to solve that, just like a good detective was, or would be. And go ahead and stand up and find another table with a pencil. Oh, I see one right here.
Not you. I'm leaving it like this. I'm just lazy.
Thank you, CJ, for making a good choice. Thank you.
Stop bumping me, Aiden.
In your team.
I was trying to fix it. It's just has too much blood in it.
Get to work.
Chapter. What chapter? There's chapter.
Why
you do that?
Put that title on the paper.
Says chapter
I'll
1.
check back in.
Stormy weather. Is it called reef?
We can't just write read for
What is,
that
what
one.
is that? What is it doing anyway? It's recording us.
Thank you for making sure everyone on your team is writing it.
Are you serious?
Make sure everyone on our team is writing.
Right, Ava?
It's like we need a
I-
pencil.
oh,
There you go.
You guys need to write.
Almost all of us have the answer.
What is this? People of
So we all wrote the title. What's our next mission?
People of content.
Table of content. Who's going to be able to find that for us?
It's right here.
Oh, right there?
Now, what do you write?
One detective found it. It says